I'm taking you to this WNDR Museum. We will see Yayoi Kusama's Infinity Room and so many other nice modern art pieces. We are in Boston downtown area, and I'm having trouble finding the right door, guys. It wasn't easy. While walking, I saw these people and I just said, wow, I find it. And apparently that was a court, guys. Wrong door again. And finally, I got the right door, and there were so many people who were confused like me, so I felt better. I didn't feel alone. We were welcomed so warmly. They asked us to paint something here with markers. I just did something, some sketches there. But there were some really impressive, so they were just trying to warm us up.
Someone from the age of 3 to 10. What? Yes. So cool. So this is their drawing. I am so sorry I'm spaced out on the person's name who helped make the art come to life. He's the one who also had these little pictures floating beside it though.
This is the entrance, guys. Let's do it. Wow. This hallway was amazing. When I step on it, it was lightening up, and the mirror was giving this infinity effect. And I really like the colors there too. You could spend hours there, take great Instagram videos or pictures, and just enjoy it, It almost reminded me of Michael Jackson's video, Billie Jean. More modern version of it. Much more. Here, I was walking towards these wires and trying to understand what's happening. Apparently, when you listen to them, with the container they give you there, you hear different voices, which was amazing. But this guy here was excited about something else.
I didn't understand what it is.
This is what I want you to do. You want to give it a gentle push?
Okay.
3. You ready?
Can I have one hand?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, because I'm filming, yeah. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Go ahead.
Ah, gotcha. That's so cool. Thank you. Thank you. Vallahi güzelmiş. Oo, biraz daha basınca hatta.
Have some fun with it.
Nice. Heat map. It looks like a heat map, right?
So this was a very different experience for me. It looks like a house. You go into it, and then you hear things and you see things. They're basically a light show with some sounds. And it was interesting because it made me feel like I'm at home, I'm safe, despite the fact that there's so many dangerous things happening outside the house. And the peaceful things are happening in the house also kind of was welcomed by me thinking that I was at home, and this was beautiful. So right now I'm just going to leave it to it, and I want you to experience it as well. By the way, these tomatoes are real, at least some of them. And the show ends with a sunrise, almost saying that after every storm, the sun rises. So don't be scared. I love it. When I step out, I saw another light show here. This time, this was more interactive, to be honest, and it would move in waves when you touch the floor with your feet. It was almost like tiny billions of fish was swimming underneath me. So it was amazing to see that, and the music choice was great as well, so I highly recommend it. I didn't want to leave there, you know. More peaceful light shows. They made this area there where you can write notes as a guest. And there were some drawings, there people were folding papers, they were writing, take care of your knees. And then I'm your biggest fan with a picture of a fan. It was just so creative. It made me smile. I loved it. And here you see speak up. Basically they are saying silence is the easy path. Will you say something instead? Powerful. And now it's time for Yayoi Kusama exhibit. So here they only give you 60 seconds and they only allow 4 people in. And this is why we had to be quick filming and taking pictures. To be honest, I understand, but at the same time, it was a little bit brutal. You have to choose between really enjoying the moment or taking the video or taking the pictures, because I'm a YouTuber. I need this video, right? So you see these hanging bowls at a perfect distance from each other. They give this starry night effect almost. And the mirrors give this infinite feeling. And if you were the only one there, I think you could enjoy this more. They were so light, so shiny, and I don't know how to explain, but at the same time, so peaceful. These seats here reminded me of a nightclub, but again, everywhere we have this light show going on, and I enjoyed every second of it. Here you see there are millions of eyeballs and irises, and they look so artistic when they're put together. And I agree with this statement. I think we are all artists. You will see here that your reality changes. With a different wavelength of light, every color can turn into just shades of gray. 50, maybe 60, maybe more. So this exhibit made me question, how much do we know really about what we see, how we perceive things? We always think that we are right at what we see. We believe in what we see, but it might be really different under a different light. Don't you think? After these clever and fun exhibits, these exhibits all about lights make me think maybe we all came from a light and we are going into one indefinitely. This was it, guys. It was a very short exhibition, I would say, but I really enjoyed it. I think it was fun, especially in the Infinity Room. Yayoi Kusama is a genius. I mean, she is a genius. I saw it one more time. Unfortunately, they only gave us like 60 seconds, which wasn't enough, to be honest. Yayoi Kusama only gives like 30 seconds, but they let us do 60 seconds here. So people were taking videos, taking photos, but it was amazing. It was an amazing experience. I love immersive experiences, but this one was also interactive, like it was reacting to your movements. So it was something. I'm glad you were with me the whole time, and if you haven't watched my other exhibitions or museum vlogs, they're right here for you. See you later. Bye.